Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be doing my pre-plan with me. Basically I'm just gonna be planning for next week's. So this is what this week's looked like. It was just plain because I totally blanked out and didn't have time to plan, so it's just basically all pen. If you guys want to check out what the spreads look like, you can go to the bottom bar down below and then you can see it through my Instagram. So we're gonna start with the sidebar like I usually do, and I already pre-cut my washies because it's just easier to do that. So I chose this really pretty gold foil chevron, and you can get this at Michael's. So I'm just gonna flip it to the side, and then I have my 2-inch sidebar again like I always do, and this is what we're gonna attach it to. I'm just gonna line it up again and hopefully it fits. I mean, it should. Okay, perfect. Oh my gosh, look at how little of a room I left for overhang, barely any. And then I'm just gonna cut the excess off with my little scissors. So I'm just gonna take the paper and I'm just gonna line it up to the edge of my planner. And then I'm just gonna fold the washi over so it can keep it in place. Okay, perfect. And here's what it looks like when you open it up, just like that. And then I did another pre-cut sheet of washi, but I cut it to the same size as the last one. So we're gonna have to be careful. I'm gonna have to be careful when I line this up. I always do it a little to halfway point, just so it's leaves a cute border. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but every time I plan I'm always wearing a robe. But that's my thing. I love robes more than jackets and stuff, especially if you're at home. It's just so easy to throw on. Oh, I lined that up perfectly, but again my overhang was so little. And then I'm just gonna cut again with my little scissors. And just fold over the edge. And I like this because I do my budgeting on this side and it just makes it extra cute to have a little something on this side, or else it'll just be boring and bland. So here's what the sidebar looks like, and it looks so good. So next I'm going to be using this gorgeous glittery orange washi. My friend got this for me for Christmas and she got it from Beverly's, Beverly's, but Beverly's is now closed for business, so I'm sorry you can't get your hand on these, but I know Scotch makes something just like this, and I love this because no glitter comes out. So I'm just gonna line it in my weeklies. I kind of like switching it up, so I think I'm gonna do it on this one this day. I was gonna run this washi just all on top like I usually used to do, but then I started mixing it up and I kind of like that better. It enhances the spreads. So I'm just gonna take my roller, and for these glitter washies you can't really rip them, so I'm just gonna take my X-Acto knife. Oh man, I cut too short, but that's okay. Oh, I just love this. I just wanted to make a super extra sidebar. Yeah, it's super extra spread this week because I'm just feeling it. So I'm just gonna bring this one to the time part on this day, and this is my daily planner, so every day is gonna have a washi in a different place except for the weekends. The weekends are meshed together, which is something I do not like because I know the purpose of this was to organize your week so that you don't have anything to do on the weekend, but I get more things done on the weekend than I do in the week. Oh, that is so cute. I'm just gonna open it out just to show you guys kind of how it looks like. That's kind of weird how they're like right next to each other like that. Yeah, I'm gonna switch it. That just annoyed me. Luckily it's washi. I'm just gonna put it at the bottom under where the gratitude is. And then I'm gonna be doing this, like fast forward and doing this, and then I'll be back. Doing this, I realized I was like, well, why does this look stranger than it usually does? Because I like switched up. And then I looked back on like my older spreads and I remembered that I always drag it. Like if I started on top here, then I just dragged it to the other side just so it's like attached like this. And then I was like, oh, no wonder why it looked so weird. But then I was like, nah, I'm just gonna try something different. But then once I went to the end, I just kind of kept it the same as I usually do. I don't know how much I really like this theme right now, but I think it'll look better as time goes on. So yeah, that's just this is just how I usually lay my washies, and now we're gonna work on the sidebar. So I have these glitter header sheets from Frank Cartier. I think I'm gonna use the blues because there's 4 of them, and I kind of want to tie in something that's not very bright and out there. So, and then I have these that I made myself, and these are the habit trackers. I do sell habit trackers in my shop. I will have a link to my shop down in the bottom bar below, but they are not in this exact color scheme. They're in a different color scheme, but if you guys want to check it out, then you can. And I also took out my headers. I also have these in my shop, but they don't say these exact same things. This one I just made for myself. And yeah, I feel like these habit trackers are so helpful because if I don't have it, I'm not gonna do it. So I am just gonna use this cream colored one and an orange one. So the purpose of these are that they're meant to go right on top of the habit trackers. Yeah, I even left the spot white just so you can see the outline of where to line it up. And here's how it looks. I actually really like these. Okay, I'm just gonna put a header down first, a glitter header. And I kind of guesstimate on the sidebars because there's not really a guide or anything. And then I'm just gonna put down a habit tracker, put down another glitter header with space in between, and I'm just gonna stick one of these chipboard stickers from Simply Gilded. This is from her anniversary, or not her anniversary, her monthly subscription. I'm just gonna use this as my little quote box, and then I'm gonna do another header. Oh, this is going really crooked, so I'm gonna bring it back to center. Oh, I need more space in this. And then I'm gonna take this orange checklist. This is from ANC Stickers. She is no longer open for shop, but usually in this planner I use like a lot of my samplers and extras from kits and stuff. And then I'm just gonna stick it to the right side. I usually always do that, like I mix it up. Whoa. So I'm sticking this on the right side because sometimes I like to mix it up. I don't always like having the checklist on the left side. But yeah, this is basically it and what I do for the sidebar. And this is basically, so this is how my weekly spread usually turns out. Every week it's kind of different. I don't really know if I really like this week's right now. But here's how this one looked like. I do always put the weekly chart thing, but I'm not gonna do it for this week just because I already do it in my own content too. And then here's the week before for Christmas, and I really like these two, but this one I'm not really sure if I like. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of different than my EC ones, but I know there's other people that do use different planners, and I just want to show people how you can take an ordinary planner from Target and make it into a very beautiful and functional planner. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!